Happy Halloween! The Villains pin set. Oh! It was not who I was thinking it was. Ooh, I don't know this one. Hello! Happy Halloween! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. So today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging the Disney Villains pin set from 2022. So I have held on to these for quite a while. Now granted, I do believe that I bought these in the parks last year. So even though it's the 2022 set, they were still in the parks for me to buy last October. So I've had them for quite a while, but I am excited and figured 'tis the season. I'm in my Halloween Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party shirts and my light up Mickey necklace, which I will go ahead and turn off so it's not annoying the entire video, but I am ready to go and excited to, you know what, I'm actually going to take these off so they don't interrupt the mic, but I am excited to get on with the video and I'm excited to unbox the Disney Villains. It's been a while. Thank you so much for being here. If you are unfamiliar with the Disney Villains pin set, it is a pin bag. It has 5 different pins in each bag. I have 3 bags to open and there are 16 pin sets available. So I will not have the opportunity to get all 16 today, but don't you worry, I got you, so stay tuned. But to show you the pins, these are the 16 available. These are the 16 available that we are going to be unbagging. Now, I am not very good with Disney Villains, but as you may or may not know, one of my main Disney collections is Beauty and the Beast, so I will of course love Gaston. There's also Jafar, there's Hercules, there's Ursula. Ursula looks good. Even the evil queen from Snow White is amazing. There's a couple that I don't know. Captain Hook is one of them. It looks like Maleficent. So we've got a couple different options and I wanted to unbag them for you. Again, 'tis the season, 'tis the season. We want to make sure that we celebrate Halloween in style. Let's open these up so we can get them on the pin board. The newer bags of Disney pins do have the little pins in the in little baggies, so it's a bag in a bag, but they do not have this, you know, again, this is 2022. So all of the pins are loose in here, so let us open it, and this is gonna be the most difficult part of today, because I suck at opening these. Do I have any scissors around? Okay, so, like I said, randomly in there, one by one, so let's try and open, and I can see the back. Oh, it was not who I was thinking it was. I was thinking it was Ursula from the back. This looks like it is Scar. So first pull, I like that. That one's pretty nice. So that's a good first pull. I actually know them. I actually know the pins. So little cork board that we're gonna be putting them on there. So Jafar is the first pull. Let's see what the second pull is. Ooh, I don't know this one. A tiger. So I'm gonna guess this is from Jungle Book. This is Jungle Book, so I'm gonna guess, what is his name? It's like, it starts with an S. I'm not a big Jungle Book person. So got the two cats, if you will. So let's get this pin back off. Okay, cats. So not terrible. Again, we're just hoping for no duplicates, and I would love Gaston and Ursula are the 2 ones that I would want. So next one, Okay, this is Dr. Facilier, right? From Tiana, Princess and the Frog. I think that's his name. Yeah, I think it's Doctor something. Okay, so we got 3 new ones. Okay, so we got 2 more in this bag. Oops, both of them fell out. Okay, so these are all the ones that I don't know. Okay, this guy is from, he's like a lion, right? Okay, I just looked it up. Prince John from Robin Hood. I knew he was like a liger or a tiger or something. So I do believe we officially got all of the animals now, and it looks like they put them all on the bottom. So I have all of the animals there, and then the last one is again another one I do not know. I should have known this one. So this one is Mother Gothel from Tangled. And so like that's her belt. Like it's like her waist. And then I should have gotten it because she's got her little hair there. So I do know her at least, but stumped me. 1000% stumped me. So it looks like we, from the first bag, like I said, 5 pins in each bag. So we ended up getting like essentially an entire row, and then 1 from the second row to the top. So we are missing now 2 full rows and a half row. So we have, like I said, 2 more bags to go. So let's open this guy. Okay. Next option. We've got 15. Okay, so our first duplicate. So this is the tiger again from Jungle Book. So that's okay. I'm always going to be disappointed if it's the same bag, and it doesn't look like it is. So this is from, oh, what's his name? Chernabog. He's like a devil guy from Fantasia. Now we have our duplicates and then our new guy. Comment down below what your favorite villain is. Let me know. Okay, another duplicate. So we now have the prince guy again from Robin Hood. That's okay. I do sell all of my traders on Whatnot, the app. So if you are interested, the details are down below. Okay, we got Scar. That's a little unfortunate. So we're now we've had 3 duplicates already in this bag. Okay, we need at least 1 new one to redeem this bag. 1 new one. Okay, we're gonna cross our toes, cross our fingers. It is a new one. Okay, so we have Captain Hook. I did know this right away. Okay, so that second bag had 2 duplicates, or 3 duplicates and 2 new guys, which is okay because we have more than 1 opportunity to get the remainder that we need. And again, I'm hoping for Gaston because he is my favorite, and that's who I collect. Last bag in this video. 5 more opportunities to get Gaston and or Ursula. Those are the 2 that I'm hoping for. So blowing it on it for good luck. Let us okay. We hate duplicates, guys. Come on. I don't know what to do with it. So this is Chernabog again. Okay, okay. We got this. We got this. Another tiger guy from Jungle Book. Okay. You know, this is the name of the game, I suppose. Oh, okay. Next one we pulled is Cruella. I get so excited when I get a new one because, I mean, how can you not? Okay, so we now have almost the top row filled out. Sorry, I never know how to do this. Almost the top row. We're missing the second row and 3 on the third row. And I hate to admit it, guys, but we are not going to get close. But we still have that opportunity. So two more opportunities. Okay. And we have Scar again. Scar again. Okay. So I love Scar. I personally wasn't a huge Lion King fan. I know, that's a hot take. But I was a Lion King 1.5 fan. And I watched that a lot. Like a lot. Me and my sisters used to watch that so much. And it's actually kind of comical how much we watched it as a kid. So last one. Whoop. Last one, you tell me, is it a duplicate? Oh, Captain Hook, again. Okay, so that was a little bit of a dud in terms of finishing the collection, but we got a good start. And I will have a secret. I do have 2 more boxes. 2 more bags. So I didn't want to put them all in one video because I like to spread the love, and I am not going to Disney for quite a while, and I need to have that joy. Okay, I have 2 more bags, so comment down below if you'd like to see me finish this collection and we can spread the love around. So I didn't get the 2 that I wanted, and I have to live with that. I have to live with that until we open it again. These are the pins that we got. Any day that we can open a Disney pin is a good day. So even if we got a bunch of duplicates, that is a-okay. So let me show you the duplicates that I have. So I've got Shere Khan from Jungle Book. I have 1 Prince John from Robin Hood, 2 Scars, 1 Chernobyl, Chernobog, and 1 Captain Hook for trade. So we did have a pretty good haul this go around, and I am very, very excited to continue opening this pins. Let me know down below if you are interested in watching. So that is all for today, folks. So thank you so much for sticking around. If you've stuck to the end of this video, please like and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. It really does help out my channel. I have a goal of getting to 300 followers. We are close-ish. And I love like-minded individuals, and I love to hang out with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Halloween and getting ready for November. So stay tuned for a lot of productivity videos in the future, as well as Disney World content. Just again, we're getting into that holiday season, so we can have some fun with the holidays. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.